Top tech executives revealed that the cybersecurity breach that affected about 100 US companies and fired 9 federal agencies last year was larger and more sophisticated than previously known. The revelations came during a US Senate hearing on last year's hack of SolarWinds, a Texas-based software company. Representatives from the impacted firms told the senators that the true scope of the intrusions is still unknown, as most victims are not legally required to disclose attacks unless they involve sensitive information about individuals. Using SolarWinds and Microsoft programs, hackers were able to infiltrate the companies and the government agencies. It is suspected that the hackers were working for Russia.
Who knows the entirety of what happened here? One entity knows. It was the attacker. The attacker knows everything they did. And right now, the attacker is the only one that knows everything they did. We have pieces. We have pieces at Microsoft, SolarWinds, FireEye, CrowdStrike, others. We all have slices, people in the U.S. government. But we need to bring those slices together. And until we do, we'll be living and working and defending on an uneven playing field.
Microsoft said many techniques used by the hackers have still not come to light, and that the attackers might have used several different means of getting into victim networks. The tech giant also disclosed recently that the hackers had been able to read the company's closely guarded source code for how its programs authenticate users. The CrowdStrike chief executive, whose firm was also affected by the breach, blamed Microsoft for its complicated architecture. He said hackers used a third-party vendor of Microsoft software, which had access to CrowdStrike systems.
Notably, the threat actor took advantage of systemic weaknesses in the Windows authentication architecture, allowing it to move laterally within the network, as well as between the network and the cloud, by creating false credentials, impersonating legitimate users, and bypassing multi-factor authentication.
The executives argued for greater transparency and information sharing about breaches and a system that does not punish those who come forward. Lawmakers spoke with the executives about how threat intelligence can be more easily and confidentially used to prevent large hacks like this in the future. The Biden administration is reportedly preparing sanctions against Russia over this hack. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.